On the 4th and 5th of August 2023, the Washington West African Center successfully did the first annual Sounds of Africa Festival at the Everett Community College.
It's an honor to serve as your MC for this festival.
This is a great joy and pleasure. Seeing an idea I had in mind since 2019 come to fruition today is something I am very proud of.
We celebrated vibrant rhythms and captivating fashion of Africa and electrifying live band performances. West Africans and our other partners experienced the essence of Africa through interactive workshops wherein they learned traditional West African dance moves.
I want to have everybody play solo by yourself.
This is an amazing accomplishment. It's an amazing festival.
Also discovered the enchanting sounds of African instruments. We created an event where different businesses were promoted amongst the Washingtonians. The event was one of its kind,